Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedunner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Good afternoon. I am Aboli Muhuril. I am HOD of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I have done my UG and PG in Electronics and Telecommunication. In 2011, I am passed out of PG. I am working in this college since 10 years and I have a total teaching experience of about 18 years.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has been your experience so far with this institute, ma'am?
What I feel is HOD is a bridge in between principal and management and students basically. So whatever are the expectations from the management, those are passed on to the students. And actually we are connected with the education actually because we are taking subjects, means we have got a teaching load as well. And whatever are the problems of the students, we try to solve them. And continuously we are in a process of introducing new courses as per the requirement of the industry.
Being the HOD in EXTC department of LR Tiwari Engineering College, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
As I told you, I am a bridge in between the management and principal and students. So whatever are the expectations, those are passed on, and from students, whatever are the expectations, those are passed on to the higher authorities. And being a HOD of Electronics and Telecommunication, because as everybody knows, EXTC is means it's a combination of all the domains. Means lot many domains are covered into EXTC background. So whatever are the industrial expectations, those are actually taken care by we people as a part of EXTC department.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students or to expose them with the real world challenges?
At our department, we do have a professional body, that is IETE, Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers. So under IETE, we do conduct different programs of skill development, whatever the industrial requirement, accordingly we plan out the programs. And we do have a contained beyond syllabus sessions in which whatever are the industrial requirement, those are covered by the teachers. And skill development sessions, those are also there. So that is also a part of curriculum, and whatever skills are expected by the industry, those actually we address.
What do you see as the greatest strength of LR Tiwari Engineering College?
LR Tiwari College means last 10 years I am here in LR Tiwari College, and the college is giving us an opportunity of implementing the new ideas over here. Means whatever the new ideas we want to try to implement in the teaching methodology or in the placement scenario, we are given full freedom of doing all the things over here. And for placement, improvement in the placement also, we are doing lot many activities.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
For current youth, I would like to suggest, means right now whatever youth feels is they don't want to work hard, they want a quick result. So that is not possible at all. They have to do a lot of work, they have to do hard work is very, very important. That is a key actually by which you can get success.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.